In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for organizing your meeting notes effectively. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or anyone involved in frequent meetings, using Microsoft Loop can significantly streamline your note-taking process and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Let's start by opening Microsoft Loop. It's a collaborative platform that makes it easy for teams to keep track of ideas and decisions. Once you have it open on your device, the next step is to create a workspace. A workspace is essentially a digital area dedicated to a particular project or team within Microsoft Loop. This will be the hub where all your meeting-related information will be stored. Now that your workspace is set up, it's time to add a new page. This page will serve as the home for all your meeting notes. Click on New Page to create it. Naming pages is important for organization, so give your page a clear and concise name that relates to the meeting. Perhaps include the date or specific topic to ensure you can easily find it later. Once the page is named, structuring it in a logical way will help you and your team navigate through the information easily. A simple structure you can use involves creating sections for agenda, notes, decisions, action items, and next steps. In the agenda section, list all the topics intended for discussion. This helps to focus the meeting and ensure all planned topics are addressed. Moving on to the notes section, here you'll jot down the key discussion points as they happen. Capturing these points is crucial as it provides a record of what was discussed and can help resolve future misunderstandings. Next, we have the decisions section. Here, document any conclusions or decisions made during the meeting. This ensures there is a shared understanding among all participants regarding the outcomes of the meeting. Then there's the action items section. This is where you list all the tasks that participants have agreed to undertake, along with their deadlines. It's this part that turns discussions into tangible results. Finally, in the next step section, outline any follow-up plans or further actions. This ensures continuity and helps keep momentum going after the meeting concludes. An additional tip to maximize collaboration within Microsoft Loop is to utilize @mentions. By using @mentions, you can tag specific team members within the notes. This not only highlights key actions for specific individuals, but also helps in drawing their attention to particular tasks or discussion points directly relevant to them. By following these steps, you'll be able to make your meetings more productive and organized using Microsoft Loop. Whether you're facilitating the meeting or simply a participant, these strategies will undoubtedly help you keep track of essential information and foster better team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide